Set. There we go. All right, so this first little set that we've got over here, Mama's name is Filly Blazes Rosette. We call her Rosie. And her baby's name is Cedar Valley's I'm So Psyched, and we call it Psych. So that's his name. And then we've got this other set of horses, and that's Little Pegasus Prima Ballerina. They just call her Rena. And the baby's name is Cedar Valley's Razzle Dazzle. So we just call her Razzle. And so that's those guys right there. Now, what we're going to talk about first, of course, is just a little bit of information about these little horses. Now, this little guy over here, this baby is a colt. So he's a brand new little boy baby, so they call him Colt. And the one on the other side, she's a little girl, so they call her a filly. Now, when these horses get to be 4 years old, that's when they turn into mares and stallions. So right now, they're colts and fillies. So we're going to talk a little bit about this little colt over here. His color pattern is what we call cremello. He's kind of a cream-colored horse. You see he's got a little bit of curl to his coat. He is brand spanking new. This little guy is 6 weeks old, so he's just a little bitty baby. He says, I'm going to follow Mama everywhere she goes. Now you'll notice that Mama keeps a good eye on him, that she's kind of looking out to see where he is. She is what you call a chestnut horse, but she's got a flaxen mane and tail, and that means it's white. So anything that's lighter than the body color or white is called flaxen. So that's what her color pattern is, and you can see that he wants to be with his mommy. This is one of his only, second or third time he's ever been on a halter and lead rope. So that's something that these little guys have to learn, is how to walk like that. One of the best ways to get the mares and foals to walk is to walk the mama somewhere, and that baby's going to go everywhere that Mama goes. Now the other little guys, those are pinto in color. So we're going to talk about them a little bit, Rena and Raz. And Rena is the mama. She is a pinto horse. You know they're pinto because they have the big splashes of color like that. Now a lot of people want to know, what's the difference between a paint horse and a pinto? Well, the difference is, to be an American paint horse, they have to have quarter horse or thoroughbred bloodlines, or they can't be considered a paint horse. Anything else is pinto. So these little guys are pinto in color, and Mama is Palomino pinto, and the baby is, of course, the black and white. And we call black and white pintos, let me think here, piebald. If it was a brown and white, we'd call it skewbald. So that's what we've got right there. And Razzle's got a lot of attitude. She's a spunky little thing, so you'll probably get to see her jumping around. Now, I'm going to take a little moment here to answer questions. So if you've got a question, you guys over there start thinking. I'm going to start over here and see if we've got questions, and we're going to work our way around. Right here in the front. Yes. Does a pony grow? Okay, that's a very good question. These mares, the mamas, are full grown. They're not going to get